Hey, what happens on closing day in real estate from a realtor's perspective? I'm a Northeast Ohio real estate agent, sharing with you one task per day each day in 2026 to let you know what we're actually doing. And today is closing day. What happens? I get notified by the title company, hey, this property is transferred. In this instance, I'm representing the buyers. So a lot of real estate agents are, running out to hand off a closing gift, to take a sold sign photo and then brag on social media or post on social media with a subtle brag, whatever it might be. I used to do the sold sign photos. Closing gifts, I'll still do like towards the end of the year, typically for my buyer clients. I don't get up in their face and at this point in time. I'm giving them the information so that they can get into the home at their leisure, comfortable. They don't need me. Like, I'm not, this is their moment. They don't need me there. Like, they don't need me there for this special moment. I want to let them have their space and do their thing. So for about 15 minutes or so, talking with the title company, talking with the listing agent, giving the clients the expectations as to when the lockbox is going to leave, when the sign will disappear, how they're going to access X, Y, and Z that they need to access in this new home, that sort of thing. So that's closing day. And it is different for realtors. Everyone's got their own process. I don't want to bash anybody for how they handle closing day, but I have changed the way that I handle this because I used to be there all the time. I do enjoy, it's an exciting moment. But guess what? That moment is not for me. So I don't typically show up on closing day anymore. We have our final walkthrough, close to closing. Of course, I want to know if there's any issues. I don't disappear. I'm not gone forever, but I'm not up in their face.